Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be showing us how we can sell our Wiki Cat tokens on PooCoin App using TrustWallet application. So first off, we open up our TrustWallet app where we have our Wiki Cat tokens stored. Here you can see I have about 663 million worth of Wiki Cat tokens valued at $11. Next up, we tap on the browser icon beneath. Then we input the URL PooCoin.app. Okay, and then we search. Alright, so once the site comes up, we need to connect our wallets. So you tap on connect, then you tap on wallet connect, you tap on connect, and then we connect our Trust Wallet to the PooCoin app. Then ensure that at the top you have the Binance Smart Chain Network activated, okay? Because Wiki Cat token is built on Binance Smart Chain Network, so that's where the transaction will be processed. Then we tap on trade. So where you have chat, trade, multi-chat, about, tools, premium, advertise, free price bot, you tap on trade, and then the trade interface comes up. Then what do we want to do? We want to sell our Wiki Cat tokens, right? Then you tap on where you have BNB, and then you input WKC. Okay, because whatever token you want to sell needs to be at the top, and then where you want to sell into needs to be beneath. Then you tap on select currency. So let's sell into BNB, right? Okay, so we tap on BNB and then we tap on max. So I want to sell my entire Wiki Cat tokens, that is the whole 663 million Wiki Cat tokens, and this to be giving me about 0.03 BNB. Okay, then here you can also see that it's an auto slippage. So the auto slippage should be on, so the best slippage will be used for this transaction. Then we tap on approve WKC. Alright, so then you tap on confirm. Ensure that you have BNB for this transaction for network fees, please. Right, while we wait for it to confirm, then you can see that the smart contract call has been executed. Then we tap on swap. Alright, so we also will be needing network fees for this transaction. This transaction is worth 28 cents. As you can see, at the BNB worth 28 cents. Then we tap on approve. Right, while we wait for this to process, I believe that it's been processed. Yes, so you can see that our Wiki Cat balance is now 0 at the top, and then we can see that I now have a balance of 0.05 BNB. To confirm this, that Wiki Cat tokens has completely been sold into a BNB wallet, you exit this PooCoin app, then you tap on wallet. Okay, so you refresh your TrustWallet app. Once you refresh, you'd see that we now have 0 Wiki Cat tokens which has been sold, and then your BNB balance should come up. Yeah, so that is the process on how you can sell your Wiki Cat tokens using PooCoin app on the TrustWallet application. I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And do not forget to make a comment in the comment section if you need further clarification, and rest assured that someone will be available to respond to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.